you said I'd be blessed. How many struggles will I have to fight before I depend on your power and might? Father, you know how I've tried and I've tried. I don't understand it, I still feel denied. Somehow you love me beyond what I know. Wherever you lead, Lord, I promise to go. Trials and valleys and heartache may come, but they can teach me to lean on your Son. You are there with me wherever I go, giving contentment and helping me grow. It's not in the striving, but in the surrendering. It's not in the noise, but in the whisper. The storm may rage, but the rock is steady. I am listening. Lord, I am still. You give the strength, Lord, to meet each new day. I must be willing to do it your way. Filled with your love, Lord, a light that will shine. Choosing